India Sisters Kitchen. This is Amu and Lata. Today we are going to make everyone's favorite veg chow-mein.
We can make veg chow-mein in an easy way at home itself. Making at home also makes us satisfied. Let's see how to make this simple recipe.
Before that, please subscribe to India Sisters Kitchen channel. Click the bell icon so that you will get notified whenever we post a video.
Let's start making. First have a pan on the stove. Add 1.5 liters of water. Let the water boil well. While it's boiling, add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of oil. Then I am using 2 packs of Hakka Noodles, each 150 grams in total, 300 grams, and adding it to the boiling water. As we are making veg chow-mein, we are using veg Hakka Noodles. Boil to 70% level. In this one step, you have to be very mindful. Don't overcook it. When you press in your fingers, you should feel it's cooked only 70%. At that stage, you should take it out. Let it boil for some time.
Usually for breakfast, we eat idli, dosa, puri and pongal. But these days, children started eating noodles as well.
Yes. Now it's at the perfect stage. Remove and filter it. Rinse it in a normal temperature water. Add 1 tablespoon of oil and mix it well to make it separate. Shift it to a place to cool it. While the noodles are cooling, add 4 tablespoons of oil and heat it. Spread the oil all over the pan like this. It's hot now. Add 1 inch of ginger cut into pieces. With that, add 10 cloves of garlic cut into pieces. 1 piece of 2 green chilli. Saute it lightly.
They should start getting a light flavor of ginger, right?
Yes.
Feel the smell of ginger, garlic and chilli, then only it will be tasty.
Next, I have 1 big onion cut in a thin long size. Add that as well. Once the onion becomes translucent, we will start adding other ingredients. Every time we make a Chinese recipe, it should always be made in high flame heat. Next, I have 10 beans cut into small pieces. Add that as well. Then I have 1 small carrot weighing 50 grams cut in lengthwise like this. It's called as julienne. Add it and continue to saute. Saute it for 2 minutes. Next, I have cabbage weighing 50 grams cut in lengthwise. Add it. Then 50 grams of capsicum cut in lengthwise. Add that as well. Then I add 1 teaspoon of salt and saute for 1 minute. Now add the noodles to the pan. If the noodles are long, it's very nice to see. Add 1 teaspoon of soya sauce. 1 teaspoon of vinegar, 3 tablespoons of Schezwan sauce. If you don't have Schezwan sauce, you can add red chilli sauce as well. Then add 5 teaspoons of tomato sauce, 1 teaspoon of sugar and mix it well. If you use 2 ladders to mix, it will be easy. Ammu, can you take that ladle? You have to make this only in high flame. You have to make it fast and quick and take it out. Ammu, let me add pepper. I am adding 1 teaspoon of white pepper. If you don't have white pepper, you can use black pepper as well. That's it. Now mix all together well.
Mixing this is a big task. In restaurants they have the right tools for everything, but for us it's not that easy.
Yeah, you have to be careful while mixing it. Now add cut spring onions and mix it. That's it, veg chow-mein is ready. Amazing veg chow-mein noodles is ready. Please try making it in the same way we made. It will come out very well.
If you like this video, please like, share and comment. We will meet you with another wonderful recipe. Thanks for watching our video.